Hi guys, welcome to Loki's World. Today I'm gonna open this surprise.
What is that?
It's a solar system.
Solar system?
Yeah, it's made out of wood, but mine had an oil one and it breaks all the time. And it's made out of paper.
Wow. Okay, let's do it.
And the urine is break. Wait. It's just for this one thing. Oh, that's broke. There it is. Okay. There's little ovals like this. Once you put your nail in it, you get it opened. What's this called? You need to do to all of them is before you want to open them. Oh, this is crazy. As we're retrieving this first, we just got another something. I don't know why they put this wrapper around this box. Because it's not recyclable. I hope they don't do this time.
Oh, yeah, it's not recyclable. Wow, good thought, Loki.
And a tape to hold it?
Uh-uh.
We need to tell this very gently before we do it. What?
You can put it here.
This icky sticky thing. This sticky like you. Oh, where we are. Here.
You want my help, Loki?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
second try. Wow, I really did it. Let me get out. Nothing else inside? Now we need to cut this thing out. Don't worry. Okay. Here.
Can I see that? I think it's a zip pouch, isn't it?
Yeah. Wait, on the other side it's not a pouch.
Is it zip pouch?
Yep.
No, it's not. It's not a zip pouch. Wait.
See? This is a mistake. This is tapping a zip pouch.
Oh, it's not a zip pouch? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's definitely a mistake. If they have put a zip pouch, we would have reused it, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
But there's four
So,
sides.
Loki, why is it important that we reuse these plastic bags?
Plastic bags are plastic. They can hold things together. And they're so strong that we can't open.
Okay.
Bags are environment.
Bad for environment?
Yeah. And they're really strong that they can hold things together and they won't ever break.
Mm-hmm.
These hurt nature and animals.
Oh, plastic bags hurt nature and animals?
Yeah. They can also hurt things.
Oh. Why? Because we can't reuse them?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're really strong, but we can use them for anything we need to make.
Yeah, if they are zip pouches, we can use them for anything to make.
But you can put the, what?
Oh, you can pull like that, right?
Yeah, and cracked. Need more power.
Need more power?
Yeah. How over here? This will work.
Maybe hold it here and then try to open it.
How about like this?
Give it to me.
Wow.
Maybe hold it here and then
Wait.
pull it from
That's what
inside.
the foreman said.
No? Yeah, let's get a scissor.
Yeah. That doesn't definitely work. Hey, I did try it over here. Now I'm not helping. No, got it.
Let's get a scissors. Let's get a scissors.
Okay. Let me use the scissors. These are small kid scissors, but the big scissors are in the kitchen.
Oh.
Be careful not to cut the paper inside. Almost at the end. Got it! Oh, some paper just flinged off. Oh, I just did it!
Can you talk over what are there in the items?
The items are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Where's the sun? Oh, here it is, sun. They show the same on the other side, but it's different.
Hmm.
But I think
Loki,
that's better.
isn't sun so big when compared to other planets?
Yeah, but now it's small.
Yeah, why is that?
Because of this, it's organized paper.
Okay. Oh, to organize the paper, that is why they kept it small?
Yeah.
Okay.
don't know the planets, and they probably think the planets are like this
Why do you think so?
because they like to think like this. They would like this.
Why do you think these are not the right planets, or they're not incorrect?
Because there are not any more planets like this.
Oh,
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Sun are not like this.
then how are they?
They're like different than before.
How is it different?
Oops. All these planets are not having the same size.
Oh, they're in same size and they don't match. They don't represent their size.
Yeah, they don't match the right side of the upper side
Oh,
in space.
Oh.
Astronauts probably check it, and those guys are astronauts. I guess.
so overall, this toy is not good.
Overall, this toy is still good because I love solar systems. There's probably an asteroid belt on between Mars and Jupiter.
But you said they're not representing the right sizes.
Yeah,
But still, you love solar system, so you love this toy.
yeah.
Oh,
The asteroid belt probably goes around Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Sun,
oh, okay,
and also Mercury and Venus.
okay. You also talked that planets are not representing the sizes.
But there's another.
Caveat.
No, but there's another solar asteroid belt here, and it's going around the whole solar system.
Oh, okay. You still didn't open two more.
Yeah, it's three more.
Three more. Okay. What is that?
Earth. I'm cracking out Earth.
Okay.
There's two more watches holding Earth.
Okay.
Wow, this is wood. We need to put these plastics to these planets, but we need to put these planets inside them, and we should hang them like this with these straws and these tools.
Oh,
There's
okay.
four.
So overall, you didn't like this? Not really?
I like it.
Just because it's a solar system?
Yeah, I love space and it's a solar system.
But you said these are of not same sizes. These are of not same sizes. The planets are not representing the sizes, right?
Yeah, but I like them.
Okay.
Let's keep going for this video. Guys, are the planets in the sun. The sun is bigger than everything. But this one is quite not bigger than everything. It's kind of smaller than Jupiter.
Oh,
It's middle of it.
so the sun should be very huge.
Yeah, the sun should be big.
That all of the solar system, all of the planets will fit in the sun.
Yeah, all the planets should fit in the sun. But here, it's not.
Big enough.
It should be big enough for all these planets to fit. But it's not. It only has room for Mercury, Venus, and Earth.
Oh, so what are you recommending? Should we buy this toy for kids?
No,
So what should we do?
we should give it back. And I'm gonna order another one. In fact, big.
Wow.
And the solar system of the sun is going to be big. The sun is going to be this big. The sun is going to be this big. Mercury is going to be small, like this size. And Venus is going to be medium. And the Earth is going to be a little bit bigger than Venus. Mars is going to be the same size as Mercury, but a little bit smaller. Jupiter is going to be bigger than all of these planets. Saturn is going to be a little bit smaller than Jupiter. Uranus is going to be really, really big than all these planets. Venus, Mercury, Earth, and Mars. In fact, nothing else.
Neptune?
But Uranus is going to be the size of a monkey.
Monkey? Why did a monkey come into picture?
Oh no. Uranus is going to be a size smaller than Sun a little bit. But
Saturn, okay.
Saturn is a little bit.
How about Neptune?
Neptune,
Is going to be the same size of Uranus?
yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Bye guys. See you next time. I hope you have fun for the rest of the day again.